Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate restricted API keys in Stripe, step by step, so you can follow along easily. To get started, visit the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click on Developers. From the menu that appears, select API keys. This is where Stripe manages all of your API keys. By default, you'll see your standard API keys here. To create a restricted one, click on Create Restricted Key. A panel will open on the right side of the screen. Stripe will ask how this key will be used, whether it's for your own integration or for another website. Choose the option that best matches your use case, then click Continue. Next, give your restricted key a clear and descriptive name so you can recognize it later. You'll also see an option to add a URL. Enter the website or service that will be using this key. After reviewing everything, click Create Restricted Key in the bottom right corner. Stripe will generate your new key with the permissions you selected. You'll now see it listed on the API Keys page. Simply click the key to copy it and use it in your integration. And that's it, you've successfully created a restricted API key in Stripe. Remember to keep your API keys secure and never share them publicly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.